What's up guys, how to increase the performance of your hyper-casual game with lods. Subscribe to my channel and let's get started. Let's look at an example of a hyper-casual where game lods were added because we see a lot of things ahead and we don't need to constantly render large objects. It's easier to render light objects. If we closely we see that the burgers in the distance are ugly, but we don't not pay attention to this. We can create lots depending on the camera distance. In this case, we have 3 lots to nicely smooth out the objects. As we approach it, we see that the burger is multipoly, and because of this, there is a lot of rendering, and low poly burgers are drawn in the distance, and there are few passes when rendering. This is how the lots and the distance for burgers are arranged. Between second and third there is a small distance for smoothing. Thank you for watching. Write in the comments what else you want to see.